없어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now.
Happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This is a Sunday day in my life. Reset how I prepped for the week. It's about 10:30 right now and I've had breakfast, got ready for the day, and now Nick and I are headed off to church. Then we're gonna go get some groceries. I'll do a grocery haul and then we'll go from there. But thanks for stopping by. My name is Caitlin if you're new, and I'm 28. I live in Pittsburgh and I make a lot of travel content and also day in my life.
You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I wanna run, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you.
We just finished up at Trader Joe's. It wasn't too crazy. We got all of our groceries for the week, and now we have to go to Target to get some other essentials. Just picked up some coffee at a new coffee shop, Commonplace Coffee. We've never been there before. I got a vanilla latte and Nick got the cookie butter latte. We also got a croissant, and we love trying like new little coffee shops on Sundays. That just like helps make our day super fun, and we've been wanting to try this coffee shop for a long time now. We had a couple friends tell us that they really liked it, and it definitely lives up to the hype. The latte is like the perfect mix of like espresso with like a little bit of vanilla, and it's so good. We are back home and I am going to do a huge Trader Joe's haul and Target haul and show you everything that we got. So, in bag one, we have spring mix. They didn't have my favorite arugula salad kit today for some reason. We got eggs, fresh salmon, Caesar salad kit, sweet potato fries, shallot, 2 oranges, red onion, lemons and limes, avocado. Nick got a bunch of yogurts. I don't like yogurts, so they're not for me. Hard-boiled eggs, blackberries. We got 2 things of broccoli, turmeric for a recipe we're making today, spicy hot honey sauce. I'm gonna put this on the salmon. I'm gonna try that out this week. Cheese tortellini, hummus, everything bagel dip, and that is this bag right here. Then in our second bag, we got some tortilla chips and elote dippers. We got feta, grated Parmesan. Nick got an avocado ranch salad kit, pita crackers for my hummus, everything but the bagel crackers, chicken breast, chicken thighs, lean ground turkey, orzo, some of this Italian seasoning, and that's everything we got in this bag. And then from Target, we got ketchup. We only eat Heinz ketchup in this house. Toothpaste, these little tortilla strips for salads, a hand soap refill, these little frozen breakfast sandwiches. I like to have these whenever I go into the office because I just don't have time to make breakfast. We got Dijon mustard for a recipe we're making. I'm not a big mustard person, so we'll see how that goes. I got a face wash and some Clorox wipes. This zero sugar dragon fruit kombucha. I like to try like little beverages like this every once in a while, so we'll see if this is good. I've never had this brand. I needed some new gum. We got this Italian style chicken sausage. I meant to get this at Trader Joe's, but I forgot. Luckily we found some at Target. Even though I do prefer Trader Joe's chicken sausage. We had to get some more paprika. And then we got peach sparkling water. So that's everything I got, and I'm gonna put it away. So I just finished editing my vlog and now it's uploading. I typically try to get my videos up before Sunday, and last year I was really good about that, but for some reason this year I've just been so busy. I feel like during the weeks that I'm always like filming on Saturday, editing on Saturday, Sunday, and like uploading on Sunday, and just like in this cycle of where I'm just doing it on the weekends, which is fine. I'm still getting my video up. If it doesn't take too long to upload, it says it's gonna take 29 minutes. So while I wait for that to happen, I am going to iron my clothes for the week, pick them out for the days that I'm in office, because I have to go in the office 3 times a week. We can usually pick our days as long as there's not like a team training or like a manager coming from a different office or something like that. So I typically try to go on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I always like to lay out my clothes, iron them, and get them all picked out on Sundays. So this is what I decided on this week. I decided on this black turtleneck just with skinny jeans. I honestly keep it really basic for work, I feel like. And then I'm gonna wear this green Madewell corduroy shirt, also with skinny jeans. And then I'm gonna wear this like collar sweater from TJ Maxx with my Old Navy like fit and flare jeans. So that's the plan for this week. I don't have literally any in-person meetings, so just wearing jeans.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you.
Nick is cooking us this amazing dinner of chicken thighs with orzo, and it's like this lemon feta sauce. And there he is. I can't take any credit for any of this cooking. It looks literally amazing.
You picked the recipe.
That's true. I did one thing. I picked the recipe. This looks incredible. So we just finished up dinner. It was literally amazing. Definitely recommend making that recipe. It was defined dish. Now I'm headed to SolidCore. I have been trying to do a Sunday night workout, whether it's SolidCore or hot yoga, but hot yoga has been booked recently, so we are going to SolidCore. I feel like this was the hardest SolidCore yet. It was a lot of triceps, and it's definitely like a challenging workout. I feel like for me, I don't know, I find it like a little bit boring because it is such slower paced and you're just like thinking about like your muscles the whole entire time. Like there's not much distraction, but I think it is a good workout and I'm trying to go to it like more regularly, either that or like I said, the hot yoga. But I'm gonna head home, take a shower, and I want to do a couple like random things for the wedding, and then probably just like watch some YouTube and chill. Oh, I need to pack my work bag and my lunch as well. Nick's on the phone, so I'm talking quietly, but I'm gonna prep my lunch for tomorrow. I'm gonna pack up some of this spring mix from Trader Joe's. We'll do about that much. I'm going to add some feta cheese. And we have some leftover grilled chicken. This looks so good. And then I'm also gonna take some blackberries and then one of these chocolate chip peanut butter granola bars. So I did a couple wedding things. I had to respond to someone about cookies for my bridal shower, and then I also ordered a second pair of shoes, possibly for the wedding, because I'm not exactly sure. I'm going for my dress fitting in 2 weeks, so I want to have like 2 shoe options, and I figured these shoes I can probably return if I decide to go with the other shoes, but the other shoes definitely match my rehearsal dinner dress, so I could always wear those to the rehearsal dinner. But I've been sipping some of this Waterloo Peach Sparkling Water. This is like my new favorite brand of sparkling water. It's so good, it's so flavorful. Now I want to do some skincare and then just relax, watch some YouTube. I might start editing this vlog as well, just to see how much content I have. But for my skincare, for hand cream, I am using the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. Then for a lip mask, the Laneige Lip Mask in Vanilla. This is so hydrating. I saw Trader Joe's was selling lip masks for Valentine's Day, and I was thinking about getting it, but I was like, I already have the Laneige one. I don't need another lip mask. But as far as skincare goes, this is my moisturizer from Cetaphil. Then I also like to do a hyaluronic acid serum from The Ordinary. And then the Kiehl's Creamy Avocado Eye Cream. So that's going to be a wrap for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Sunday reset or lifestyle type vlogs. And I'll see you next week. Bye.